I like it. Tim puts his off to the side. John slams his.
That's what we do here. Tim drinks, I cook.
It's a new show.
We'll call it Drink and Cook.
Yeah. Give us a thumbs up. Oh, is that a little too soon?
Okay, so today we are making chicken hand grenades, chicken grenades, whatever you want to call them. Chicken grenades. I like it. Yeah. Chicken hand grenades.
We Frenched them so they ball up. And then we're going to put a piece of bacon around it. We're going to season them first, then put a piece of bacon around them, and then grill them on a smoker out there.
Technical difficulties. This is a lesson in know how you left your grill before you preheat it.
Okay, Mohammed.
Can I stick my arm in there and burn all the hair off?
Know how you left your
Don't have to
grill.
shave.
Do not try this at home.
Yes, they tortilla one.
We're seasoning, right, Tim, with Nashville hot chicken seasoning. We're going to season them real good. Then we're going to give them a good wrapping bacon. Use one of our grenade pins.
Yep.
And then we'll get them on the smoker too, right? How long are these going to cook?
Till they're about 165, 169.
All right, so we're cooking to temperature.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to give them a good season. Tell me.
You can season it real heavy.
Like this heavy? Too heavy?
A little more, I think.
A little more. He thinks.
Well, how spicy you want it. Nashville spice is not that hot.
Nashville spice, not that hot. Good?
Looks good to me.
All right, so Tim's going to show us how we wrap these here.
Kind of overlap it, if you will. Put a little tension on your bacon.
Wait, let me do it.
Don't hit the bone. Oh! Ow, fucker!
All right, don't get
God. Son of a bitch.
I didn't go all the way through. I don't know where you were holding that.
Not there. Anyways, there's our pin, and don't let it poke you, prick.
All right, so you're putting your own pins in. Don't let somebody else do this for you.
Ain't nobody got time for that. It's on fire.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So we wrapped our chicken. Looks like triage, though, the way they're wrapped, because somebody got poked and damaged. Got a little shrapnel. But that's how they're supposed to look.
And you can see the little grenade pin here.
We'll start over. Sorry. All right, go ahead.
All right, I think we're going to get the chicken off. It is 168 degrees. Couple with sauce, couple without sauce. That way we get a taste them both ways, but take a look at these.
That looks amazing.
All right, we're going to leave the acorn squash on for a few more minutes.
Look at that, though.
Starting to look good.
Bubbly, yummy goodness.
All right, so everything has cooked about an hour. The smoked acorn squash, pretty much done. You know it's done because, well, you can stick a fork in it real easy. But if you want to know how to make those, check my video out on acorn squash on the smoker. I'll put the link down in the description. But take a look at these chicken bombs.
So one thing to do, you gotta grab a leg, pull that pin, and let's eat.
Do it. All right, hold on. Pull the pin. And let's eat. Dude, those look pretty amazing. And they're gonna be messy, but
What's the difference there? You got some sauced and some not?
yeah, we sauced a few. We took a few not sauce. Just to see the difference. That's pretty darn good. Let me taste the one without sauce too. Just to be fair. Pull the pin.
Watch out, shrapnel.
10
You got
seconds.
about 10 seconds. Yeah, 10 seconds. There you go.
I got damage.
I'm not sure which I like better, but they're both good in different ways. If you like barbecue sauce,
We're from the north, man. We like sauce.
all right. If you're from the south, then you just like a dry rub with the bacon. Either way, these are delicious. Thanks for bringing this recipe out to me. I thought someone, I thought somebody was barbecuing.
Yeah, it was us. That's good, man. I've never had it with bacon in there. Tastes
Thanks
good.
for stopping. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Good
Tim's
stuff.
face down in the food here, but
There's some nice bourbon maple syrup on that acorn squash
actually,
too.
you
can taste it.
can taste a little bit of bourbon on there. So Absolutely delicious. Thanks for stopping. We'll see you next time.
Gotta go. Goodbye.